Hey folks, and welcome to my short review of ZV-E10. I've been using this camera for a while now, and I could say I'm quite satisfied with it. Now, let's actually start with some examples. Keep in mind that none of these photos are edited, they come directly from the camera. This camera comes with 24 megapixel sensor that will rapid fire to 11 fps burst shooting. It has a lightning fast autofocus, and that's probably the first thing you'll notice here, and it produces quite sharp photos. So overall, I would say that this camera is quite a good choice for an entry-level photographer or videographer. When it comes to the video, ZV-E10 can record 4K videos. Here are a few unedited examples. If you're planning to do the videography with this camera, you'll get good results for casual vlogging and even studio recording, while you'll find yourself in trouble if you start recording sport events or even if you start moving really fast while vlogging because the rolling shutter effect. This video is brought to you by Stanley Quencher H2.0, the ultimate companion for every adventure. Experience the perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality with the Stanley Quencher H2.0 Flow State Tumbler. No matter where life takes you, it keeps your drinks just the way you like them. For more information, check out the link in the video description below. Okay, now let's check out the camera. I have added my Sigma 16mm lens just for the presentation. Here below this net here we have three different microphones. Then we have here on and off button. Here we have three different mode buttons. For example, right now it's in the photography mode. You can see that right here with this icon. And if I press this button, it's going to go to the video mode. And then if I press it again, it goes to S and Q mode. So this is for the slow motion video and so on. So if I press this button again, it goes to the photography mode. So it kind of goes in the circle. This button here is for the video. So if I press this button, even though notice that I'm in the photography mode, I don't have to be in the video mode. I can just press this button and the camera is going to start recording, right? If I press it again, it stops. Then beside that, we have also this focus and defocus mode. Right now, you can see that this ball is in focus and the background is blurred. If I press this button, now the background is not blurred anymore. It's clear, right? So if I press it again, so this is the bokeh switch here. You can kind of quickly go from this blur bokeh effect to the clear effect, and the camera does this job for you. Beside this button, we also have a shutter button here, and then we have this zoom dial here, right? Now let's check out this side. Here we have on the top this scroller, which is used to change the aperture, but because actually let me change the mode to the going to change to manual so you can actually see how that works. All right, now that I'm in the manual mode, you can see as I scroll, it changes the aperture. And the menu button brings the main menu, so all the features of the camera are here below the menu button. And also the menu button serves us to go back. So no matter where you are, if you want to go back, you will always use the menu button. Then we have the function button, and we have here a few features from the menu that were taken and put here for quick access. All of this can be rearranged and changed to other things. So let's press the menu to go back. Then we have this scroller for the navigation. And by default, if you are in the photography mode on manual setting, it's going to the scroller is going to change your shutter speed. If you are, for example, here you can see ISO. If I tap on ISO, right, then I'm going to use it to change the ISO. So again, different purposes depending on what you do. Here you can use it to navigate and so on. In the middle here we have the also button. This is the confirmation button. Then we have here a button to go to the menu so we can see the photography and stuff we were recording, right? And you can do that by scrolling, right? Or you can also use the buttons like this, left and right, top and down, and so on. Then we have also here, let me go back to the menu. So we have here also delete buttons, so you can choose the photo, tap on the delete, and just delete here. On the front side, we have a small lamp here, Once you start recording, this lamp is going to light red. Right now it doesn't work because I have disabled it, and you can disable that if you like, but by default it's going to light red. And on the other side we have here, let's see, this small three dots is the speaker, and then here we have the battery and the memory card. And on the left side we have here Type-C USB charging port, then we have HDMI port, and then we have here 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And here is the microphone input also, so if you would like to add an external microphone, you can do that too. So overall, I would say this is actually quite good camera. It's good for photography, for videography. The only negative thing I would mention here is that rolling shutter. So if you need to move the camera really quickly, if you're planning to, even if you do vlogging, but you're, for example, moving quickly, then you're going to see that wiggly effect in the background, and it can be a little bit irritating. But beside that, I would say everything else, I have nothing but positive words about this camera. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this was educational for you. I hope that I've managed to help you with this video. If there are any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.